Hello everyone, welcome back to the Science Family. Today lesson we are going to correct Senior 3 Physics mock for the 2025-2026 National Examination. We will go through each question one by one, explain the correct answer and discuss. Whether you are preparing for your national examination, this video will help you. Let's continue by instruction to the candidate. Make sure you read carefully these instructions before you start your national examination. Okay. Let's start by section A, attempt or question. Question 1. Fill in the blank space of each of the following sentences using provided terms. Thermometer, surveyed, school, metal rule, CGS, SI. Two terms must remain unused. I. Before starting any experiment in a laboratory, students must read and follow the rules. The best term we put here is this one, surveyed. I2. A device used to measure the length of object is correct. This one, metal rule. I3. The standard international system of unit used for measuring physical quantity is called the system. The best term we put here is this one, SI. IV. When a measuring temperature in a laboratory, the instrument commonly used is a thermometer. Thermometer is the instrument used to measure temperature. Question 2. Circle a letter corresponding to the correct answer for each of the following questions. I. Which of the following is simple machine used to lift heavy load vertically? The best option is pulley. Pulley is used to lift heavy load. I2. Which simple machine consists of a board that rotates around a fixed point called a fulcrum? The best option is this one, letter D, level. I3. Which simple machine is made of a flat surface set at angle to help raise object? The best option is this one, C, inclined plane. IV. Which of the following is an example of wedge? The example of wedge we have here in this option is letter B, knife. Question 3. This question is related to density and pressure. I. A substance has a mass of 10 kg and volume of 2 m³. Calculate its density. Density as a formula is equal to the mass over volume. Means that the density of this substance, we take this mass over volume. Let's see in marking guide. Okay, you see, density of a substance is equal to mass over volume. Means that is equal to 10 over 2. Is equal to the 5 kg per meter cube. Okay, let's continue to the I2. A force of 200 Newton acts on an area of 4 meters square. Calculate pressure exacted. Pressure exacted in the air is equal to the force over area. We have force and we have area. Means that the pressure is equal to the force over area equal to 100 over 4 is equal to 50 Pascal. Let's continue to the question 4. Answer by true if the statement is correct and by false if it is wrong. I. Electrostatics is a study of electric charge at rest. Yes, this statement is true. This definition is correct. I2. Like electric charge attract each other fast because like electric charge repel each other while unlike electric charge attract each other. Positive and the negative attract each other, but positive repel or negative repel. This statement is false. I3. An object becomes positively charged when it loses electron. This statement is true. IV. A material that does not allow electric charge to move easily is called conductor. This statement is false because conductor material, conductor substance is a material that conducts electric charge or that allow electric charge to move easily. Next question, match each the description in column A with its correct term in column B. Column A, we have device used to detect smaller electric charge. This is the column B. The device used to detect smaller electric charge, it matched to I4 galvanometer. Galvanometer is a device that used to detect smaller electric current. I2, production of electric current due to changing magnetic field, matched to I1, electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is the production of electric current due to changing magnetic field. I3, region around a magnet where magnetic force is felt is correct or matched to this magnetic field. IV, a wire wound into a series of loops is correct, matched to these three correct coil. If you have any question, please type in comment. Okay. Next is circle a letter for correct answer for each of the following question. I. What is pressure exerted by water at depth of 8 meters in a lake? Density of water is 1,000 kg per meter cube. Acceleration due to gravity is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. Pressure in water, we have a formula of pressure in liquid is equal to the density times height or depth times acceleration due to gravity. Let's see marking guide. Okay. Density times gravity or acceleration due to gravity times height or depth. Density we have is 1,000 times acceleration due to gravity is constant. It's equal to this 9.81 or is equal to 10 meter per second square. And the height we have is equal to the 8. And then by using calculation, we get this one. Okay. Let's continue to the next question. What force must be applied to the surface area of 0.2 meters square to create pressure of 150 Pascal? What is the force? Means that the formula we use force where we have area and pressure. And you know that the pressure in air is equal to the force over area. Means that force is equal to the pressure times area. You see, pressure times area means that pressure we have is 150 Pascal and the area we have is equal to 0.2 Newton. Means that the final answer is 30 Newton. Let's continue today. Circle a letter corresponding to the correct answer for each of the following questions. I. Which statement best explain meaning of force? Force. It is energy stored in an object? No. Force is a push or pull that can change the motion or shape of an object? Yes. C. It is a mass of an object multiplied by volume? No. D. It is the temperature of an object? No. The best option is B. Force. It is a push or pull that can change the motion or shape of an object. I2. Why does a football move when prey kicks it? Why does the football move when a prey kicks it? The best option is what? This is a marking guide A, because a force is applied to the ball by player foot. We see a force is push or pull that can change the motion or shape of an object. Means that when we kick a ball, the ball can change the motion or continue to move. Means that the correct answer is this one, A, because force is applied to the ball by player football. I3. What effect can a force have on an object? It can remove object mass? No. It can change the color of object? No. It can change shape or motion of object? Yes. It can increase the object temperature? No. The best option is this one, C. It can change the shape or motion of an object. IV. Which situation is the best example of force changing the shape of an object? A. A booking resting a table? No. B. A car parked on the road? No. C. A stone lying on the ground? No. D. Stretching a rubber band? Yes, this is the correct option. Let's continue to this question. This question concerns the work and power. A student pushes a box with force of 20 Newton and the box moves 5 meters in direction of force. Calculate the work done. The formula of work done, remember, is equal to the force times distance. We have force and we have the distance. Means that the work done is equal to the force times the distance. 20 times 5 is equal to 100 joules. Okay. Let's continue. A machine does 600 joules of work in 3 seconds. Calculate the power of a machine. Power as a formula is equal to the work done over time taken, or energy over time taken. All power is equal to the force times distance over time. Okay, we have work and we have time, means that the power is equal to this work over this time. And remember the unit. Work over time, 600 over 3 is equal to 100 watt. The SI unit of power is watt. Let's continue to the next question. A 2-kilogram ball is dropped from a height of 5 meters above the ground. Assume the system is isolated, no air resistance. Calculate the velocity of the ball just before it hits the ground. G is equal to 10 meters per second squared. Calculate the velocity of a ball just before it hits the ground. We have what we call potential energy, and also we have what we call kinetic energy. Potential energy as a formula is equal to the mass times the gravity times the height. But kinetic energy is equal to the 1/2 mass times velocity squared. In this situation, or in this motion of this ball, potential energy is equal to the kinetic energy. Let's see in the marking guide. This is potential energy, this is kinetic energy. Mass times the gravity times the height is equal to 1/2 mass times velocity squared. And then this helps us to calculate or to see the formula of velocity. You see that we asked to calculate velocity of a ball just before it hits the ground. Okay, this mass is cancelled, and then remain velocity squared is equal to g times height. V is equal to the square root 2 g times height. G is constant 9.8 or 10, and the height we have given, and then the final answer is equal to this one, 10 meter per second. Let's continue to the next question. Question 10. This question is related to friction force. I. Answer by true or false for each the following statement. I. Frictional force always opposes motion of an object. This statement is true. Friction force always opposes the motion of an object. B. Friction force can cause an object to accelerate. No. This statement is false. I2. Suggest any two positive applications of friction force. The two applications of friction force is this one. Car brakes. Friction between brake pads and wheels helps slow down a car, ensuring self-stopping. Next, walking or running. Friction between feet and the ground prevents slipping, allowing us to move forward, and so on. Let's continue to the next question. This question is related to electric current. I. Fill the blank space with the suitable word among those provided in bracket. A. In a house electrical circuit, the device used to protect appliances from excessive current is correct. Is correct fuse. The wire that carry currents from a power source to the electrical appliance in the house is correct. The term we put here is drive wire. You see in the marking guide, fuse and drive wire. Okay. I2. Electric heater used in a house has a power rating of 1000 watt and is connected to 220 volt supply. Calculate the current flowing through the heater. We have power and we have voltage. The formula we have, power is equal to the voltage times current. Means that the current is equal to the power over voltage, and then replace its value. This is the question 12. Read it carefully. This is the answer of question 12. I. The velocity increased by 4 meters per second every 2 seconds. Continue read. This is the question 13. This is the solution of question 13. This is the question 14. This is the solution of question 14. Question 15. The solution of question 15 is here. Section B, question 16. I see solution. Question 17. Question 18. This is solution. This is the graph of 17 question and the slope. The slope representative refractive index of glass block. This is the question of 18 question. Question 19. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you success in your national examination.